Hi, this is Vince from What the TECHS,
And this is Sean.
and today we are building a $650 gaming PC, as you saw in the title. So for our CPU, we have the AMD 2600 processor with 6 cores and 12 threads. This is one of the best CPUs for gaming for its price. And our motherboard, which is the Asus Prime B450. This motherboard has 4 RAM slots and an SSD port. But for this video, we are not using the SSD. It also has an RGB header, which makes it look a little bit cooler.
Alright guys, so the graphics card we're using today is the AVGA GeForce GTX 1060. This thing is very powerful. For only $180, it's a very small graphics card, but it has very high performance. We could have gotten a better graphics card for this PC, but we're trying to fit a budget, so we got this one. As for storage, we're going with the Western Digital 1TB hard drive. This is an amazing price for such good of a hard drive. This hard drive is the regular 3.5 inches, but it holds a ton for only $45.
And we can't forget about the power supply. For the power supply, we got the EVGA 450B1, which is 80 plus bronze certified. These came with sleeves over the cable so it doesn't get messy. I really like how they did that.
So for the case, we got a Cooler Master MCW master box with the front dark mirror panel. We also bought a set of 3 RGB fans from GIM for $20 to add to the case for a little bit of extra RGB, because what's a PC without any RGB?
The added price of all these items total up to $650. And we'll see you when we are finished. Okay guys, so we finally finished the PC, and let's see if it turns on. So you see the orange light turn on? Let me turn this on. That's the button. The fans are on. The CPU fan is also on, and the lights are on. I'm going to change the colors. Works properly.